All right, so price of Bitcoin is going insane right now. I'm hoping this screen capture is working. I was just watching the order book over here, and just to see the walls of sellers getting eaten up, you can see like the whole side out here flash green. I mean, I'm speechless. We've gone up almost $1,000 in just minutes, like 'cause this is on the 15-minute time scale here. So we're looking at 30, 45 minutes. We've gone up 1,000. You can see the side flash green again. What I really would kind of wanted to capture was one of these walls getting eaten up over here. So we'll see. I'm sure my internet and the screen capture thing is just going really slow, but I expect to see another wall at 34,000. And I just want to see if or when, how fast that actually gets broken through. That'll be up. So we got 12, because I saw 150 at 33.5, and I thought, you just need to see this because it's just insane. So there's a 6. You can see over here, small wall, 6 and 6 on the ask and the bid. Not a whole lot going on right now. This might be a quick video, but I expect definitely to see a wall at 34,000. So you can kind of see, if you really watch, you can kind of see the algorithms, because a lot of this is, oh wow, we just shot up to 33.9. Okay. I don't see those orders, but this is going really slow, so I apologize. I don't know how much this is picking up, but yeah, 34,000 on the screen now. A lot of orders at 33.9. So like I was saying, you can kind of, if you kind of pay really close attention to the order book of here, you can kind of see what the APIs and the algorithms are doing when they're buying and selling, because it's not just individual. There are a lot of individual orders that are going through on this, but I think a lot of it is just computerized high frequency trading, and people at the desk, I don't know exactly how it's done, but it almost looks like they can scroll back and forth. Lots of green, lots of green. I don't see that wall. I don't see a wall coming through. It's getting awfully close to 34,000. We're less than $100 away. That's close. Because that's like I was saying, I saw 150 Bitcoin get eaten up in less than 3 seconds. It had to have been less than 3 seconds. It did not last long. Like, it came down and it just was annihilated. It was pretty amazing to watch, actually. So I'm hoping just to capture maybe breaking through 34,000, because who knows what can happen when these prices are breaking out and going insane. Like, I think I'm lucky just to capture that. I was sitting here watching the price. I was kind of feeling lucky that I might be able to capture this big move here. So less than 100, less than 75. Now we're hovering around. Yeah, you can see someone's got 6, 10-ish popping up on the bid there. There's not a whole lot of big selling right now that I can see. It's just little stuff here and there. Seems like a pretty open market. I think whoever has these high frequency trading algorithms or what have you, I think they're kind of watching, seeing what people are doing right now. There was another YouTuber, Crypto RS, who made a good point that because PayPal and Square are buying up 100% of the newly minted Bitcoins, there's 900 Bitcoins created every single day now, that they are putting enough money into the market to be able to buy up every single new Bitcoin. So, and that's for the customers that have, sorry, I just keep seeing the price go up and I think, oh, this is it. PayPal and Square have to go back out on the open market to refill their own wallet. And so I think in the evenings, why we're seeing a lot of this, I'm not seeing a wall, but I think a good reason why we're seeing these price moves in the evening, there it is. There's, all right, 140. Look how, all right, let's see how fast this takes to 112, 100. I swear, last time it went faster. It was gone in seconds. So we're at about 100 now. 100 Bitcoin up for sale at the 34,000. This will be interesting to see what happens. Looks like we backed off a little bit. We're still less than $100 away. So I'm not too worried. I mean, we honestly, I feel like we're overdue for a major correction. Like that little dip that you see earlier on the screen there, I think that's nothing. I think we're overdue for something much more major than that. But because of who is buying this time, institutions, namely, they are FOMOing, fear of missing out. They want Bitcoin. We went at 110. You see it popped up, and now we're down at 88, almost 90. So that the sell walls is getting eaten up, but it's these institutions that are buying now because the price keeps going up. And ironically enough, as the price goes up, you get these larger hedge funds that are actually able to buy in because the market cap. And there it goes. Did you see how fast that went? 34,000. All right, now we're going on. Look at that. We'll see how high it goes. I think, these walls are just going to get smaller and smaller because the sellers just, who's selling? Like, maybe if you had bought a whole bunch of Bitcoin, back in the day, like, there's a guy bought like $80 million worth of Bitcoin, like back in 2010. So he has 1 million Bitcoin. Like, I can understand maybe if you're that guy, but if you only have like one or two, or maybe even a handful, like, I just don't see the point in selling. Like, the bull market has just begun. So you can see green candle go up, number go up, Bitcoin going up. Really exciting to see. So looks like we're hovering just above the 34,000. It's not, it didn't look like too much of resistance. It kind of, we're just, passing over and, going over it. Lots of green flashing, lots of buying at 33,988. So that was pretty exciting. Just wanted to kind of capture like one of those sell walls getting eaten up. I'm amazed at how quickly 100 Bitcoin just evaporates. Like, the appetite for Bitcoin is just enormous. So hope you all enjoyed. Here's to 35, 36, 40, 50, 100,000, 500,000. We'll see where 2021 takes us. Thanks, y'all.